Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the relationship tool. Let's say that I would like to continue this family tree and I would like to connect now. Maybe I have a sister and I would like to connect her to my family tree. In order to do that, I'm going to go to the bottom, the last tool here, and I'm going to select the relationship tool. And here I have a few options. Option number one is the type of a line that I would like to show in my relationship. So one of them would be a solid line, then it would be a broken line, and then would maybe something like maybe a different type of broken line. So I'm going to select the solid, and then here are the different line thicknesses. So I'm going to select the medium one, and whether my relationship ends with an arrow. So yes, I would select an arrow here. And I also have a choice of selecting a color. I even have the option of selecting more colors. So if these colors are not enough and you would like to select another color, that's definitely an option. And so I'm selecting the same that we have here. So now every time the relationship tool is selected, every single object on Project Power gets these little purple dots, which allow you to connect that object to another object on the workspace. So let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to drag from this component to the one that's in the center, which is me. So I'm going to connect my sister to me. So here it is. I'm going to drag from this purple dot, and I'm going to move on and connect it to one of the purple dots here. So that's how you connect. That's how you use the relationship tool. This is how you connect one object to another object. As long as this relationship toolbox is open, all the objects are going to have this. So if you want that to disappear, you actually need to close the box. And once you close the box, there's no more purple dots and everything returns to normal. So now let's say that you want to, you change your mind and maybe this connector is not good enough. You can still go in there, go to the relationship tool, and now this allows you to actually remove connectors. Let's say that this connector doesn't work. Now, let's say that you would like to also define what is the relationship between these two. So you have the option of clicking in there and typing a relationship. So let's say that is part of my family. Okay, so you create, and it shows that, my mother is part of my family, definitely. So, this allows you to add different types of relations to explain the relationship that exists between them. Now, let's say that I want to remove this here. I'm going to click on the red X, and that's it. And it's not there anymore. I can now redo this and maybe, connect it from a different connector, maybe from here. And there you go. So as I said, in order to remove those dots, purple dots, I'm going to click close here. And that's it. And thank you. And I hope that you understand how to use the relationship tool. And I will see you in the next video.